Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube. Welcome back, people. This is Influence. Today I got this Tech Digital. It's a splicer thingy. Chances are, if you're here, you know what this does and you know what it's for, or you think you know what it's for. And I will give you a little more background on what it's for while I'm unboxing it. So basically, I have an older sound bar that doesn't do 4K pass through, and the PlayStation 5 doesn't have an optical out. So this is why I bought this. So if it works, it will be working with the PlayStation 5. So you have this TV 5-channel, 2-channel. I assume, I didn't read any directions yet, but I assume this is to have 2-channel or 5-channel or 2-channel out. So put the HDMI in here, power it. Then out here comes HDMI out. You can have the stereo, like headphones, out, or you can have the optical out, which is what I'm using this for. And this solves a very particular problem, and it should solve it. So I'm going to hook this up and see. So yeah, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. I hook it up. If you have an older system, you definitely need this for the PlayStation 5. It puts out the 5.1 optical out and still get the 4K crispness in. So I mean, you can't ask for much more. I'm on a projector, so I don't know if there's any loss in the picture. It doesn't look like it to me, but maybe if you was on a 4K TV, you could tell. I'm not sure. But this is definitely a great buy for me. So if you enjoyed it, I appreciate it.
Life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.